Hi everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. So I'm doing a haul video after really long time. I restocked some of my makeup and skincare and also got some new products. So if you like to see such kind of videos, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And now without any more further delay, let's just jump straight into the video. So first product that I restocked is my favorite Inside Cosmetics Brow Tattoo Eyebrow Gel in the shade brown. This was out of stock for really long time. Whenever it came back in stock, I always missed it, but this time I saw Nykaa's notification. Immediately I went and placed my order, and the moment I placed my order, it again went out of stock. So just imagine the how much demand this product is in. I absolutely love it, and the one which I'm currently using has already finished, you guys. So next I restocked on my favorite makeup brush from Pro Arte. It is their PF66 flat angle contour brush. This is the one currently I'm using for all of my base makeup, like my foundation, blush, bronzer, contour, and it blends my foundation so nicely, giving me a seamless, flawless finish. That is the reason I restocked on another one, because one, I want to keep it just for the foundation. So this is how the brush actually looks like. You can see it's flat and angled, and that is the reason it gives me a very good precision, and also it blends the product very beautifully. I got many comments asking about this brush. I am going to come up with a video soon about my favorite face brushes, so please keep an eye on that. Next, I saw Maybelline launching 5 new shades of their Lumi Matte foundation, and I had to pick up one for me. This is the shade 311, which has warm undertone, which I already reviewed on my channel. Earlier, I had reviewed the shade 330, and it looks gorgeous when I initially apply it, but once it oxidizes, it gives me a very rusty orange kind of look. This foundation has a tendency to oxidize 2 shades deeper, and that is the reason I wanted something light so that I can mix and put it to use, because this was just lying as it is in my collection and I did not had a chance to use it. But today I mixed these two and brought to my perfect shade matte, and I think it's working fine for me. Next, I bought this new product from Minimalist. It is their B12 Plus Repair Complex 5.5% Face Moisturizer, which has vitamin B12, ceramides and betaine, which helps to repair your skin's barrier, soothes your skin, and it is meant for all skin type. This is a 50 grams product that retails for $3.99. I am currently using it, but I don't know what I actually feel about this product. I will use it for more days. So I got carried away with this pink color, you guys. This actually caught my attention. Look at this. The texture is thick. It feels thick when you actually apply it on your face. So that's the reason I don't use it under the makeup, because I have a sweaty skin. So I always like to use this during my nighttime skincare routine. Next, I restocked on my favorite Pixi Glow Tonic. This is a 250 ml quantity. I earlier used the 100 ml, and I really wanted to restock on this, and this one bottle is going to last me really long time. It's completely sealed, and I love to use it for my face and body, and whenever I use this, I always top it up with a moisturizer. I avoid actives and acids for a day or two, because if I do that, my skin goes extra dry, it starts peeling, it starts getting flaky. So that's the reason. And this, you can use it on your body as well, like on your underarms, wherever you have got some pigmentation marks. If you have strawberry legs, it works fine. I don't know about hair. I heard many people using it on their scalp where they have dandruff, but I don't use it, so I can't say about that. And with this, I got this Chotu Glow Tonic free. I got this from NYKAA, and this is really very helpful and handy whenever I am traveling. So yes. Next, I restocked on my Laneige lip sleeping mask in the variant Berry. This is a mini size, which I'm already using it. I always love to keep a backup of this lip mask, and it has helped my dry chapped lips a lot. I don't know what happened this summer. My lips went extra dry. It was flaky. It was a very in bad condition, and I have almost used this much, you guys. So this is a savior for me, and I don't know, it has helped me a lot. It has brought back all the moisture that was lacking on my lips, and I'm so happy that my lips is back in state. And with this Laneige lip sleeping mask, I even got a freebie, which is their water bank blue hyaluronic acid cleansing foam. This is a 30 grams product. It is not a full size, I believe, but definitely I will put this to use. If it doesn't dry out my skin, probably I will get a full size next time. I'm yet to try it out. You can see it's completely sealed. Next, I got a new launch from Mars Cosmetics. It is their Glow Fly liquid highlighter in the shade 03 Winged Champagne, which I've already reviewed on my channel. It comes in 3 different shades and you get 10 grams of product for rupees 3.99. Let me just give you a swatch. I have given a brutally honest in-depth review on this, showed you various ways to try out this liquid highlighter. That's how the shade Winged Champagne looks on me, and if you're interested to watch that in-depth video, please check the link in the description box. It's available on Amazon and on their official website. Even I saw it on Flipkart. I think very soon it is going to come on NYKAA also. So yeah, if you're interested, please watch that video. Next, I got this Miss Claire Eyelash Glue in the shade Dark. This is a 5 grams product. Let me tell you, I still don't know how to apply fake lashes and I am still learning. I feel it is very time consuming. Someone like me who is very impatient, for me it doesn't work, but still I bought it. Don't know what happened. I feel like this should be there in my collection because kabhi na kabhi ye kaam to aane wala hai hi. This is the first time I will be trying out this glue. Earlier I had always tried out the Europe Girl Paris and Pack eyelash glue, but I don't know how actually this works, so I will try it with my fake lashes and let you guys know whether this is worth the money or it goes to trash can. Next, I bought this new launch from Swiss Beauty Select. It is their Cushion Mousse Multichrome eyeshadow in the shade Electric Chroma, which I've already reviewed on my channel. Posted a short video giving you the swatches on different eye base, how actually it looks in different lighting. Let me just give you a swatch. I would mention the link to that video in the eye section and also in my description box. Please go ahead and check it out. So that's the color shift. It changes the color from different angle when the light hits. I really love this shade on me, and you still have 4 to 5 shades. It is exclusively available on their official website on NYKAA and Amazon. I don't know about Flipkart and Myntra, but I got this from Amazon and I really love it because it feels moussey. It has that, you know, this kind of putty like texture, and it feels creamy when you touch it but applies like a powder. So it is cream to powder kind of formulation, and I totally love this color on me, you guys. Next, I restocked on my Swiss Beauty Perfect Liquid Concealer in the shade Warm Sand. Yes, this is my color correction shade. It matches my skin tone pretty well and has a very good undertone as well. That's how the shade looks like. It is completely new. It has kind of orange golden undertone and helps a lot to cancel out any kind of unevenness on my skin. And the next freebie I got is this Wishcare Niacinamide Oil Balance Fluid Serum, light and matte. So this is the trial size that I got it. I haven't tried it out. It's completely sealed. Let me just... So it is very little amount that you get. Okay, I will try it on my face and let you guys know whether it is suitable for my dry skin, because this is a matte sunscreen. So I always like to stay away from matte sunscreen because it makes my skin go extra dry, but they also say that it has a fluidy light texture, so I'm very much interested. And this is SPF 50 with PA 4 times plus. Next, I bought these 2 shades of newly launched Kiro Velvet Souffle Soft Matte Liquid Lipstick. The 2 shades that I picked up for myself is Hazelnut Crush and other one is Rich Nutmeg. I have already done an in-depth video giving you the swatches on my bare skin and with makeup on. That's how it looks like. I can pull off this shade with full glam makeup on with some lip liner, but on my bare skin skin, this shade also washes me off. The shades are very limited. The next shade I'm going to swatch for you is Hazelnut Crush, and this is the shade Hazelnut Crush. This shade will look even more beautiful on light to medium skin tone. For brown skin, you can totally pull off this rich nutmeg with some lip liner, and this also I can pull off with a full glam makeup on with some very good brown or cherry brown kind of lip liner. It just works perfectly fine. I really love this moussey formulation, which gives me a very blurred out lips. It doesn't feel heavy or anything because it has a lot of skincare properties that keeps my lips hydrated for really long time. But the only bummer is it is not transfer proof, it is not food resistant. It does come off very easily even with light meals here and there. Next, I picked up another lipstick from Lakme. It is their Extraordinary Airy Mousse lipstick in the shade Scarlet Siren, which I was eyeing it for the longest time. And this one shade, I saw it on great discount on Myntra and had to pick it up. When I saw the swatches online, I saw that it looked different on each and every skin type. Still, I went ahead and got this shade for me. You can see from the packaging, it is a bright neony red shade which has a lot of orange tone to it. On my hand, it looks good, but it still has got some orange undertone to it. I feel this shade, if I apply it on its own on my bare skin with hint of lip liner, it is going to brighten up my skin. Don't you think? I think so. I haven't tried out this shade on me. Probably I'll try it very soon and let you guys know how is the lipstick shade on me, because I actually love the formulation. I think total I have 5 shades in this lipstick formulation, so I had to pick up one red shade that will go with each and every occasion. And the last product of this haul is the newly launched Swiss Beauty Satin Comfort lipstick. I have seen this lipstick going viral on the social media. Everyone is talking and going gaga over this. So I had to get 3 shades for my brown skin. I'm yet to review it. I have not even opened the seal, you guys. All the 3 lipstick is lying as it is. It is completely sealed, so I cannot give you the swatches at the moment. I'm planning to do a complete in-depth review and over there I will give you the swatches on my bare skin and with full glam makeup on. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what you're doing, please subscribe to my channel and turn your notifications on so that anytime I upload any new video, you just get notified.